And welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and I am the Lopsided Crafter. You can find me on all the socials as the Lopsided Crafter, and we have a website, thelopsidedcrafter.com. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are a returning viewer, hi, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button and commenting below, as it helps make these videos pop into the world of YouTube so that others can find my channel. So today I am going to go over the loom hooks that I use, why I would use certain ones in a certain scenario, ones that aren't necessarily my favorite, but they may have come with a loom set, or I have one I'm not really sure where it came from. But nonetheless, here we go. So this is one that I'm not really sure where it came from. I must have saw it at a store and thought it was cute. Kind of reminds me of like a centipede or something like that. It has your typical loom hook style. It is rather on the small side. It is like a silicone, so it is kind of soft. However, I don't use it very much. The next one that I have is one that would come with a loom that was purchased in a big box store, meaning Michael's, Hobby Lobby, unfortunately Joann's. This one is bent a little bit more, and it is short, where this one is short also. And what I mean by short is this part of it is not very long. I don't care for these. I do have, this one is actually from KB Looms. I have arthritis in my hands, so this is not a very good loom hook for me personally. But there is a nice section right here to lay your thumb on. It's just not thick enough for my hands. The next type of loom hook that I have is one from CinDwood Crafts. I really like these. They have the pencil grip, and it's got like this plastic tube. And this hook is kind of short also, but I do like these. I have several of these. Whenever you purchase a loom from CinDwood Crafts, at the bottom of the purchase page, there is a drop-down menu that says include a loom hook with order, or do not include a loom hook with order. Because I have so many of them, I tend not to include new hooks. My next choice would be these resin hooks from Steve of Artisanal Turnings on Etsy. He is currently on vacation mode, so you cannot purchase any of these right now. But I like these because the hook itself is longer. They are thicker. There are several different styles that you can choose from. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's like little, almost like little indentions here, and it fits perfectly on my fingers in my hand. I like to use these when I am knitting socks on the loom. Usually they're the first ones that I gravitate to if my hands are not already in pain. The next ones that I gravitate to are the ones from KB Looms. They come in purple and orange. They are also ergonomic to the way you hold them. This one is still a little on the shorter side, and the loom hook itself is more angled, but it does work good. It even works well on the CinDwood looms. The next set I have is also from KB Looms. Now these, let me take them out of the package. These are really more specifically for KB Looms. You could use them on CinDwood, but you'll have to make sure that you have the same exact gauge. So the hook itself, you turn that angled that way you can see. So the hook itself would go into the center of the peg. So you would have to measure. I'm going to assume this one is 5/8 because it's larger. This one may be 7/16 or 3/8. I'm not 100% sure. But basically the premise of this is you do your E-wraps and then you can hook and knit off 2 at one time. Now there is a learning curve to this. So while you're new and learning these, it may take you longer to get into the habit of being able to scoop up 2 stitches at a time. I'm not a fan with purling with these. However, you can do it. If you would like a video of me showing you how to use these on a loom, please comment below and I will definitely do a video on that for you. My next loom hook that I have, and this is not, the next couple that I'm going to show you are not traditional loom hooks. This is actually an ice pick. Just one of your run-of-the-mill cheap ice picks. I think we might have gotten it at Walmart. And then my husband took it to work with him and he heated it up and then he bent it in the angle that I needed and then sharpened it down. I don't know, you probably cannot see that. If you see the groove marks right here at the tip of the hook, that is where he shaped the hook for me. I like this handle, especially when my hands are bothering me. It works really well. So I use this one quite often as well. Now this next set is a set of O-ring removers. This is actually from Harbor Freight. So they come with 4 different hooks in this set, and I believe it was $19.99. There's a couple reasons why I like these. Number one, they are longer than your average loom hook. Let me just pick one up right here so I can see. They are longer. So if you are knitting on, say, a universal sock loom from CinDwood Crafts and you get into that corner, you don't have to worry about digging your hands all the way in there because they are longer. This one is a 90-degree angle. This next one is almost the same angle as a normal loom hook. And I don't know if you can see that, but it actually has a little indentation right here. So it's like that. So that's really easy. It really helps you pick up those stitches. there is a flat one. This I would use if I needed to pick up a stitch and put it on hold, say for a cable, or I'm moving stitches for knit two togethers, things like that. I would use this. This next one in this set is an actual hook. What I like about this one is for stitches like knit three togethers, purl three togethers, you can actually hook all three of those stitches with this one and knit them or purl them off at the same time. So this one also comes in handy. Again, these are a lot longer than your average loom knit hooks, so it does take a little bit of getting used to because the handles aren't as long. And with that long throat, you're not having to get in there as deep. So for these, I don't use them all of the time. Maybe if I was to put a pencil guard or something like that here on the lower side of the throat, just to give myself a little bit more, say for the thumb, I might use them more often. But I do like having these as a backup. And my friend Cheryl, hi Cheryl, she is the one that told me about these from Harbor Freight. And I do like I said, that they have a case and it comes with this little top so that I can keep these all together. So those are the loom hooks that I have that are on the market. If there are any loom hooks out there that you would like me to review for you, please let me know in the comments below. If you would like to see any of these loom hooks demonstrated on a loom, let me know that also. And I think that's about all for now. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, happy loom knitting. Bye.